Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat, and today we are going to discuss how to find out the probability of not mutually exclusive events. In my last lecture, we have discussed how to find out the probability when the event which is given to you is mutually exclusive event. So today we are going to discuss not mutually exclusive events. For example, two sets are given here. One set is having the elements 1, 2, 3, and the another one having the elements 2, 4. So there are two sets, set A and set B. If we have take out their intersection, A intersection B, so there is a 2 is common. It means A and B are joint sets. If there is a common between two sets there, so those sets are called joint set. For this is called not mutually exclusive events when we have to find out the probability here. So that means mutually exclusive event means the sets are given to you joint sets. Joint sets mean some elements are common between two sets there. Now come to the question here. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that it is a diamond card or a king? In my last lecture, we have also discussed the distribution of 52 playing cards there. So must watch that video also. Now here, sample space and combination R. So total cards here 52, and one card we are going to draw here. So this is R is equals to 1. So this is 52 combination 1, that is 52. Now here, what is the probability that it is a diamond card or a king? A diamond card or a king? There are 52 cards there, in which 13 cards are diamond card. So here set A is a diamond card, So there are, we have discussed in my last lecture the distribution of 52 playing cards. So dear students must watch that video to understand the distribution of the 52 playing cards and how we have to find out the simple probability there. Well, there are 13 diamond cards from 52 cards, and one card we are going to draw here. So this is 13 combination 1, that is 13 king. How many kings there? There are 4 king from 52 playing cards. So B a king. So here 4 combination 1, that means 4. So there are 13 diamond cards and there are 4 king cards. Now we have to focus here. There are 13 diamond cards and there is a 4 king. 13 diamond cards, there is a 1 king, and here we have 4 king. That means 1 king is common between A and B. Focus this point here, students. A intersection B, that is 1 king, because there are 13 cards in which one king is there and there are four king. So what will be the common between set A and B is one king there. So here A intersection B will be equal to one king, that is the common. It means A and B are joint set. So this is called not mutually exclusive events. So first we have to find out the formula or find out the probability there, the probability of A, the probability of B, and then probability of A intersection B. So here probability of A, we have a simple formula, number of elements divided by number of elements in event divided by the number of elements in sample space. So this is 13 diamond cards, sample space is 52. Probability of B, there are 4 cards, 4 over 52. And now we have to find out the probability of A intersection B as well. So this is A intersection B. There are total 1 card and sample space is 52 cards. Now here we have discussed that A and B are disjoint sets. That means not mutually exclusive events. So we have the formula in this situation, A union B, that is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is the formula of not mutually exclusive events. So here the P of A is 13 over 52. P of B is 4 over 52 and minus P of A intersection B is 1 over 52. So just take out the LCM here. P of A intersection B, that is 52, 13 plus 4 minus 1. So this is P of A union B, that is 16 over 52. Just simplify it. You will get the answer for not mutually exclusive events. Dear students, thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Allah Hafiz.